Hello guys, how to fix an unknown error occurred. Please join this meeting from your browser. Error code 104101 in Zoom meeting app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. To fix these issues, go to Windows search, type ncpa.cpl. This will open your network connection. Right click on your network connection and disable it. Wait for some times and again enable your network connection and check your error is fixed or not. If not, go to the next fix, go to Windows search, type command prompt and open command prompt windows as administrator mode, press yes, and here execute the command netshint ip reset. This will reset your network connection and check your issues is resolved or not. If not, the next workaround is open Google Chrome browser, type Zoom extension, click on Zoom, and from Chrome Web Store click on add to Chrome. Zoom extension will be added to your Chrome browser. Log in with your email ID and further proceed. If this method does not work, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search, type Zoom, open Zoom app, and from the top right corner click on your profile icon or click on check for updates and install Zoom app latest update. The next method is again go to Windows search, type firewall.cpl. Windows Defender firewall will open in control panel. Here click on allow an app to communicate through Windows Defender firewall. Scroll down, find out Zoom and check whether under public or private network both options should be enabled. Checked. Click OK. The next, go to advanced settings from the left pane, same control panel windows. Here from the top click on inbound rules, scroll down and you will find the option Zoom meeting app. Double click on it, go to protocol and from the top menu bar protocol and here choose under drop down menu any. Here in my case it is disabled. If this method also does not work, go to the next, open Windows settings, click on apps, installed apps and look for Zoom. Type Zoom in address bar and Zoom app will appear. Click on 3 dot and choose uninstall. Later you should install Zoom app again to fix these issues.